Jain from Etisha Institute of Technology Thane, working in Computer Engineering Department. Today I would like to speak about the biogas and compost plant installed in our college campus in order to spread awareness about environment and sustainable energy resources amongst the students. Before I begin with my topic, I would like to present a small animation video explaining as to what exactly do we mean by sustainable development.
Hi guys! Do you have time for a few quick questions? I see you're having a lot of fun, but do you ever stop and think if what you do is sustainable? And do you know what sustainable development means? Sustainable development is to make the world a better place for everyone now without destroying the possibilities for the next generations. If you wonder if something is sustainable, you can ask yourself, can we do this over and over again forever? Sustainable development means that we need to keep three things in mind at once: social progress, economic development, and climate and environment.
So, as we have already understood what exactly do we mean by sustainable development, I would like to proceed with the topic of my presentation. The main aim of implementing this project is to manage the college food waste at college itself and generate methane gas from it, which is used in the canteen for cooking purpose. Food waste generated daily in college canteen is processed in this biogas plant, and hence solid waste management is done at college level only, and no waste is disposed of in the community bin. Biogas is considered to be a renewable resource because its production and use cycle is continuous. In this biogas plant, which we have installed in our college campus, has 3 units of 7 kg digesters each, which takes input of approximately 21 kg weight waste generated from the canteen of our premises, and it also produces approximately 3000 liters of biogas, which is used to prepare around half of the canteen food. The second or the sub-part of our biogas plant is composting plant. The purpose behind implementing this sub-part of compost plant on our college campus was to manage the byproduct generated by our biogas plant along with the waste generated from the garden, such as the dry leaves or the waste from plant trimming is given as input to this compost plant, and fertilizer for our garden soils is created. The main aim behind installing or implementing this biogas plant was to strongly support our national mission Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. So with this national mission, our college is also taking Ek Paul Swachhate Kade with this plant by generating anaerobic decomposition of biodegradable waste. On behalf of our college, the NSS unit had presented the model of college's biogas plant and compost unit and had won a special prize for the presentation. With this, I would like to conclude my topic by saying that after installation of the plant, the students were able to understand the working of the anaerobic digester, understand what are the various practical difficulties that are required to face while running this plant in actual, get knowledge on how to overcome or to obtain the solution to the practical difficulties for smooth functioning of the plant, and understand the importance of renewable source of energy. Thank you.